a great choice today with the 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, CD player, bucket seats, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, cloth seats, privacy glass, pass-through rear seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.